Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Let's cook together. Let's bake delicious butter potatoes today. Let's start now. Ingredients are potatoes and butter. Slice potatoes with chopstick at both sides.
Whoa!
To avoid cutting the end. Melt butter and seasoning with herbs and salt. Brush butter evenly on potatoes. Springy black pepper and garlic powder. Air fried potatoes at 100 degree 20 minute. Remove potatoes from air fryer. Wow, smells so good. Yummy. Brush potatoes with remaining butter. And optional to sprinkle more herbs on top. This air-fried butter herbs potatoes is super delicious. You must try it. Share this recipe with your family. They will love it too. Good to make this for quick breakfast or quick meal. It's so delicious. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.